Digital tools are now part of the SMSF audit process. They help improve organization. But these tools do not replace the auditor's need for sufficient evidence. The audit file must be complete and accurate. The ATO reminds us, data feeds support but do not replace bank statements. Assess which documents are needed. Transactions might appear complete, but missing evidence warnings must be addressed. Verification is crucial. Example: imported transaction data needs the bank statement for verification of ownership and balances. Professional judgment is required. Digital tools aid in processes, but do not replace the auditor's discretion. Online SMSF Audit helps manage all audit-related data and documents in a cohesive system. Digital support speeds up audits, but real evidence is what strengthens them. Efficiency matters, but evidence comes first.